5 exercises to do in bed that will transform your belly and sculpt your core without ever needing a gym. Imagine waking up each day to a flatter stomach simply by dedicating a few minutes in the morning right from the comfort of your own bed. These exercises are not only effective, but also incredibly convenient, making them perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Let's dive in. First up are leg raises. This exercise is a fantastic way to target the lower abdominal muscles, which can often be challenging to engage. To perform leg raises, lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Slowly lift your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight, and then lower them back down without letting them touch the bed. It's crucial to engage the core throughout the movement. This exercise not only helps burn fat, but also tones the stomach area. Consistent practice can lead to noticeable results, making leg raises a staple in any morning routine. Next, we have bicycle crunches, a dynamic move that engages multiple muscle groups, particularly the obliques and upper abs. To perform bicycle crunches, lie on your back and place your hands behind your head. Lift your legs to a tabletop position and begin to alternate, bringing your elbow to the opposite knee while extending the other leg. The twisting motion effectively works the entire core, contributing to a more defined waistline. Regularly incorporating bicycle crunches can help flatten the belly while improving overall core strength. Moving on to scissor abs, which add an element of challenge to the standard abdominal workout. To perform this exercise, lie flat on your back with your hands under your glutes for support. Lift both legs off the bed a few inches and begin to alternate, crossing one leg over the other in a scissor motion. This exercise promotes stability and strength in the core while targeting the lower abs. The continuous motion not only helps tone the midsection, but also improves flexibility, making it a fantastic addition to any bed routine. Next are hip raises, which are perfect for engaging the glutes and lower abdominal muscles simultaneously. To perform hip raises, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the bed. Press through your heels as you lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Lower back down without resting completely on the bed. This move enhances core strength and stability, and it's great for flattening the belly while promoting better posture and reducing lower back discomfort. Finally, we have planks, an isometric exercise that serves as a powerhouse for core strength. To perform a plank, lie face down and lift your body off the bed, balancing on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. Hold this position for as long as possible while maintaining proper form. Just a few minutes of planks each day can lead to significant improvements in core strength and overall stability, contributing to a flatter stomach. Incorporating these 5 bed exercises into a daily routine can lead to incredible results in just 4 weeks. No gym, no fancy equipment, just a commitment to a healthier you right from your own bed. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as those inches melt away, revealing the flatter belly you've always desired. Make the most of your mornings and embrace the journey to a stronger, healthier core.